So when you use this on a man, he totally becomes unaware of what he is doing for that period of time, and that is the time you will ask him for what he wants. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I'm laughing because what I want to talk about in this video is funny, but it's not funny. So you guys know that Instagram is such a crazy place. As a content creator, Instagram is one of those apps, if not one of those, it's not one of those apps, it is that app that I practically live on because I make a living from being a content creator and an influencer on Instagram. So Instagram is that one app that I would always be on multiple times a day, and I come across so much. There's so much I see on Instagram on a daily basis. Funny things, crazy things, stupid things, hilarious things, you name it, it's all on Instagram. And one of the things I saw recently that has kept me thinking for the past couple of days and has made me want to sit down here and do this video is a post I saw. You guys must know this guy, James Brown, not like our James Brown of blessed memory, our James Brown the musician, not that James Brown, our Nigerian James Brown, Bobrisky II. If you know him, do like this in the comment section below. I don't follow him, but he always pops up on my explore feed, and once or twice I have just found myself on his page, and I spend a good amount of time on his page just laughing and having a ball, and he's just a mode of comic relief for me. So a couple of days ago, when I was on James Brown's feed, I came across a post that he did for a brand. Apparently he's an influencer now, and I came across a post that he did on Instagram for a brand. One of captivated me the most, you guys must know, if you've seen his posts, you know how he is. But one of those his posts, he was advertising for a brand, and the caption got me. And I'm just like, hold up, are people really doing this openly? Like, openly. Let me read that caption out for you guys so you can understand where exactly I am coming from. To show you how serious I was, I took screenshots of this post so that I can come here and do a video about it, because I could not understand. I wanted to be sure whether it was just me who has a problem with this. But let me dive right into that post. Where is that screenshot? Okay, you people should listen. Open your ears very well and listen to this. It says, hypnotized creed. You see this? You see how small this is? A product was being advertised in the video that he did. The power it carries. This is to be used before sex with a man. I just paused there because when I was reading the caption and I saw that, I paused. I was like, okay, what's happening here? When you use this on a man, he totally becomes unaware of what he is doing for that period of time. Is that so? Tell me more. So when you use this on a man, he totally becomes unaware of what he is doing for that period of time, and that is the time you will ask him for what you want. And guys, isn't this black magic? Like, isn't this juju? Jazz? I'm not understanding. Then in capital letters, they go ahead and say, he will give you anything you ask of him that time without even being aware of what he is doing. Hey! Okay, so this product is supposed to make a man unaware, make a man completely useless to the point that he doesn't know what he's doing, and it's being sold openly on Instagram. Okay, this particular product just takes the man's mind totally off for some hours so as to enable the user get what he or she wants. It's not finished though, there's still more. Any amount you ask within the hours, he gives to you. Note, you cannot ask for more than 2 million naira when you use this. So there's even a cost, what do you call it now? There's a there's a limit. There's a cost limit to this jazz. Okay, so you cannot ask for more than 2 million naira at a time. Interesting. Okay, let's read on. I repeat, you must not ask one man for more than 2 million naira when you use this. This can only be used on 3 different occasions and on 3 different men. Only 3 men. P.S. These products must be used within 6 months of using it on the first man. So, in other words, when you buy the product and use it on the first man, you must use it for 2 other men within 6 months of using it on the first man. If not, it will no longer be potent, right? It becomes useless after 6 months of usage. So if you are that queen that wants to get good amount of money from a man, then get this product. Note, when he comes back to his senses, he will think he willingly and freely gave you what you wanted. P.S. Make sure this is used on a man that has money, please. So in other words, you cannot use it on a man that does not have money and expect that he will bring out 2 million naira and give you. It's not possible. You have to use it on only rich men. Kindly check at blah 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 for different effective products that meet the needs of women all over the world. And then they go ahead to put the handle, their Instagram page, their phone number, WhatsApp number, everything. The end. Can you people see what is happening on Nigerian Instagram, you guys? When I saw this post, I was like in shock for like an hour, basically. But it's not like it's entirely new, because we have heard about Kayamata and all that nonsense they do on Instagram. We hear and see all of those things, but I feel like this is the most explicit I have seen a product being described. Its uses, its target audience, its everything. Like in my head, I was just like, whoa, ho, ho, ho. You know, people like James Brown, or like say influencers like James Brown and co, they do not filter the kind of brands that they work with. I mean, anybody can come with anything to them and they will just put it out on their Instagram. As long as you pay them money, it's not their business. They will put it on Instagram for you and promote it like their lives depend on it. I mean, you telling me that this product is going to make a man do whatever you want him to do. If you ask him for 2 million naira and below, it has to be from the highest you can ask him for is 2 million naira. So let's say not past 2 million naira. You are telling me that this product is going to get me what I want from a man, used for 3 men on 3 different occasions within 6 months. Is that not what they do in Nollywood movies? Like this is what we grew up watching in Nollywood movies. You know, a woman wake up one day and she wants a man. Maybe the man has a wife or has another girlfriend, and then they go and see a herbalist, babalawo, gives them a concussion to either put in the man's food or to rub on their body, or you know, something like that. Like this is what was seen as, wow, that's like so bad, that's a taboo, almost like an abomination. And right now it's like, it's being sold openly. Now it's being sold openly on Mark Zuckerberg's app. My mind is completely blown, because in my head I'm like, are we not supposed to have like regulators? Now I'm not saying like social media regulators or anything like that, but I feel like there should be like a regulatory body under Instagram, maybe under Instagram, like Mark Zuckerberg's, you know, people who regulate the kind of things that are being sold on Instagram. Because is this legal? Like, is this thing not a crime for you to be telling people that you can make a man, you can literally make a man useless, literally, and make him nod his head to everything you want him to do? Isn't that supposed to be like an evil thing, you know, like black magic, like an illegal thing to do? Because there is no difference between this and you being a yahoo person, or you being a herbalist. Like there's no difference, or you even killing someone. Like I feel like there's no difference between all of these things. Like it's just the same thing. There are people out there who are helping these brands promote this nonsense on Instagram, and these people are, you know, the funny thing about everything, people are buying these products. Like people are legit going into the DMs of these brands, going into their WhatsApp, calling them and requesting for these products, and they're paying the amounts that are put on these products for sale. Like people are buying this thing, guys. I feel like it just goes to show that you can do anything on Instagram. Like you literally can do anything. You can sell anything. I just pray that the day will not come, God forbid, that people will begin to sell human parts on Instagram, because it's like things have gone completely haywire on that app. In a way, myself, I even understand the ones that sell, you know, sex sweeteners, you know, things that enhance or improve your sex life, maybe products that will make you sweeter, in quotes. I can even understand that one. But you selling a product, telling me that this product will make a man completely useless and unaware to what he's doing. Hey, mama, we're in trouble, you guys. We're in serious trouble on Instagram. Like I said earlier, I just feel like there should be some sort of regulatory body under Instagram that regulates the kind of products or services that are being marketed or sold on Instagram. That's that's my take, because I feel like that's the only way. If not, these people are going to keep infiltrating that app and keep just derepping Nigeria as a whole. And I know that it's not only Nigeria that probably has people that sell things like this, but from what I saw and from what I see on a daily basis, it's mostly Nigerians. If you are one of those people that go on Instagram and be buying such nonsense, I beg you in the name of God, please stop. Just stop, because you don't know what you're doing to yourself. It's almost like when we're watching Nollywood movies back in the day as kids, when you see people who do these things, there are always repercussions. Like, it's either somebody fall down and die, or you run mad tomorrow, or something. There's always a repercussion. If you're one of those people that will go and patronize a vendor like that, just know that there are repercussions for things like that, okay? Things that are not normal, things that you have to use the back door to do. Those type of things are not normal, and as such, they would have repercussions. So if you are one of those people, just stop it. If you've started doing it already, just stop it. If you've not even started and you're thinking about it, don't do it. Do not. You guys should please be very, very careful. The kind of vendors that you patronize, the kind of ads that you see and you consider patronizing, be very, very careful, guys, please. What do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think of this thing, because I don't even know what you even call it at this point, but what you guys think of this thing, this menace right now on Instagram. Let me know in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss. Do you know anybody who has patronized a vendor and who has seen results from this kind of things? Let me know in the comment section below and let's discuss, guys. Okay, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, please be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment down below, thumbs up the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.